In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to download the Nest app. By the end of this guide, you'll have the app ready to go on your device, whether you're using Android or iOS. Let's dive right in. First, you'll need to open your App Store. If you're using an Android device, this means heading to the Google Play Store. For those on an iPhone or iPad, you'll want to open the App Store. This is an essential step as it's where you'll find the Nest app available for download. Once you have your App Store open, the next step is to search for the app. Tap on the search bar, which is usually located at the top of your screen. In the search bar, type in either Nest or Google Nest. This ensures you're searching for the correct app, as there might be several similar options available. After typing in your search query, you'll see a list of results. Here you need to select the official app. It's crucial to make sure the app is published by Nest Labs Inc., which is also known as Google Nest. This step is important because downloading the correct version ensures compatibility and access to all features. Now that you've found the correct app, it's time to install it. If you're on an Android device, tap on the Install button. For iOS users, you'll see a Get button instead. Once you tap this, the download process will begin. You might have to wait for a few moments as the app downloads and installs onto your device. Rest assured, this wait is normal and won't take too long. With the installation complete, you've successfully downloaded the Nest app. This app is particularly useful for managing older Nest devices like cameras and thermostats. However, it's worth noting that many newer Nest devices are now controlled through the Google Home app. This distinction is important because it highlights the evolution of device management within the Google ecosystem. Once you open the app, you might notice that some features require you to switch between the Nest app and the Google Home app. This is a common requirement due to the way newer devices are integrated. It might seem a bit inconvenient at first, but it actually provides a broader range of control and flexibility. Having both apps ensures you have complete access to all your devices and their full functionality. At this point, you're ready to start using the Nest app on your device, explore its features, and get familiar with its interface. As you do, remember that having the latest version ensures the best performance and security. Regularly check for updates in your App Store to keep your app up to date. To recap, we started by opening the App Store, searched for the Nest app, carefully selected the official app, and installed it. These steps are straightforward, but each one is vital to ensure that you download the correct version and enjoy the full functionality of your Nest devices. So whether you're managing older Nest products or integrating with newer ones through the Google Home app, you've now got the tools you need right at your fingertips. Thank you for joining me today. Enjoy using your Nest app, and remember to stay updated with the latest features and improvements. Have a great day.